There is India's economy before this. So that is what we are trying to achieve is to, if you notice it says experts like India, so we are trying to build a pan-India economy. All the good morning.
My name is Naila and today I welcome you all to Express Live India. I represent the British Family Club and we are hosting this Express Live India with EMI. So we have feedbacks come through and you can find details down on the page. We want some quick answers. We want easy to rely on.
I would say like dashboards is not going to relevant sooner because when a large scale if you see there will be always one person even from a business team of
Whether the innovations this happens, like sometimes one team is working on AWS and another company is working on Azure. A merger happens and suddenly here like Microsoft has who is that quickly? It's does the difference. Otherwise everything is it's even really.
According to the founders of this it's not an unbound LLM which has access to everything. It has an access to an LLM which will work with the instruction method.
And along with that, suppose if you want to see some fluctuations in my data around the data activity, like kind of a notification or a mechanism, this is the relation where the data activity is also available within my. And here, if you're working on the Microsoft Fabric, the data will be under direct lake mode, which is something like it is not going to store it somewhere. I'm saying that the data will get available, not going to store. It is going to available in the one lake, but it will get stored in the form of a direct link. So you can see the instant result.
That can operate autonomously with a number of specific security compute units and their individual budget and cost, right? So even if if at a fine day, if the US team tries and hands down, clap, hands down, hands down, clap. I'll do this fast and you have to follow up with me. Okay? Chalo. Clap, clap, hands down, clap, hands down, clap, hands down, clap, clap.